We were sent these digital cameras for my girls, and I took them out here to an amazing duck pond so they could get some wildlife photography, and they're having the best time with it. Okay, what do you think? Here's some of the details of the camera. So it has an anti-shake, it has a face detect, a smile capture, exposures, your effects, language. You can even set a date on it, power it off, sound effects, and more. So I love all that. You also have the video mode with it. You can attach this if you want the little wristlet. It comes with a plug for the recharge, and then there's your USB. You have an instruction manual. You even have a little wipe here if you want to clean your screen. Comes with the battery and the SD card, and I have this one charging right now. Super simple to put that in, and then you can see the little red light means that it is all charging. So these are such great cameras, and I think you're going to really like them. Setting up the camera is really easy. You just open this, and then it comes with a battery, which I put in there, and then it also comes with the memory card, which I was able to put in very simply. And then turning it on, it's a one button push right here. That will turn it on. It says welcome, and you are ready to go. You have your wide, your tight, you have different modes. The flashlight emblem right there will put the light on, and then you can see your photos by hitting the M button. How cute these photos are. You just scroll through. Cute. I love it. They're lightweight, and they're a good size for little hands and for adults.